Good morning children. Today we are going to learn semester 2 chapter 19 circle. A circle is a simple closed curve whose every point lies at an equal distance from a fixed point inside the curve. This fixed point is called its center. Now coming to the center of a circle is a fixed point in the circle. All points on the circle are at equal distance from the center. A circle has only one center. In the given example, see here you have drawn a circle, right? And you get a quarter of a circle which looks similar to a triangle but has two lines, segments and one curved edge. See here, the point at which the line segment meet O, here and here you see, is called the center of the circle. Okay. Now coming to the diameter. Here, diameter, any line segment joining two points on the circumference and passing through the center of the circle is called a diameter. There can be many diameters which are equal in length. Symbol for diameter is D. I'll show you the example. Diameter is the largest chord of the circle. See, this is the largest chord of the circle. Now, for example, in the textbook, see here, take a ruler and measure the line formed by the two folds, that is AB and CD. What do you see? Are they equal? Yes. You'll notice that AB line is equal to CD line. AB and CD are two lines passing through the center O and joining two points on the circumference. This line is called the diameter of the circle. Got it? Now here draw any 5 diameters to the given circle and name them. For example, I have drawn for you, see here, as a center at pointing as O, and I have drawn a line. This is called a diameter, that is the longest chord of the circle. Likewise, you have to draw the rest of the lines. Now, radius. A line segment joining the center of the circle to any one point on its circumference is called radius. So, there can be infinite number of radii. That means plural of radius. Radii means plural of radius of the circle. See here. The lengths of all radii of the circle are equal. Symbol for radius is R. Now I will show you the example given in the textbook. Now draw and name 5 radii on the given circle. See, already I have done for you one here on the circle. See here, I have pointed this as a dot and named it as O. Able to see? Yeah. From O to C, I have drawn a line. This line is called radius. Okay. So, I have named for one. Rest of the lines you draw and name it. Chord. A line segment joining any two points on a circle is called a chord of the circle. I'll show you the example in the textbook. These are the chords. A line segment joining any 2 points on the circumference is called a chord of the circle. For example, EF is a chord and AB is the longest chord of the circle. Is it clear now? Now I want to tell you about what is the circumference. Circumference means the perimeter or boundary of the circle is called its circumference. And arc or curved line, any part of the circumference of a circle is an arc or curved line. These are the curved lines of the circle. Okay, now I will show you the complete diagram. Now what we have learned about the center, about the radius, circumference, chord and arc or curved lines of the circle. Now I have taken a compass and see here, this is the compass and I placed the pencil over here and I measured the measurement from 0 to 5 on a scale. I have taken 5 centimeters, 0 to 5. See? Able to see? I'll show you. Right? See here, 0 to 5 on a scale, I have taken the measurement. Okay. Now, I have drawn a circle by using this compass. See here. I have drawn a circle like this. So, here this is a circle I have drawn with the help of the compass with the measurement of 5 centimeters radius. So, here I have placed a point. This point we call it as center and I named it as O. O is center. And I have drawn a line from O to C. This is called a radius. See here. This is called radius. O to C. Likewise, O to A, O to B, O to C are radius. And here, one more line I have drawn. This is D to E. I named it as D to E. D and E is called as chord. Okay, now arc or curved lines. Arc or curved lines, that is E, B, C, A, D, E. All these are the circumference. Okay, and A to B, this is the biggest, that means longest chord of the diameter. We call it as longest chord of the circle. We call it as a diameter. A to B is a longest chord of the circle. We call it as diameter. Now, for this circle, there are some properties are there. Like property 1, length of a diameter of a circle is equal to 2 into length of radius. That is, diameter is equal to 2r. Or radius is equal to diameter by 2. Or in a short form, we can write r equal to d by 2. Now, here they have given one activity for property 2. Draw a circle using a compass or a round-shaped object. Take a thread and pass it once around the circle along the circumference. Measure the length of the thread. Length of the thread is equal to length of the circumference. That means we showed you here. Circumference means this is the part of this arc. We call it as circumference. And draw any diameter to the circle using a ruler and measure it and point it as P to Q. That is called diameter. So, draw a radius and measure it. That is O to A. O to A. that is called radius r. Now you will find the length of the circumference, that is 2 into pi into r. Pi means many radiuses, then we call it as radii, that we show in a symbol pi. So 2 into pi into r or pi into d, where d is the diameter, r is the radius, pi is a constant, that is equal to 3.14 or 22/7. If diameter of a circle is 14 centimeters, then its circumference will be pi into d. That means 22/7 into 14. So how many times in multiplication table it goes? 7 2s are 14. So cancel 14 and 7 here and write 2 on the top of the 14. Now here 22 into 2 is equal to 44 centimeters. If the radius of a circle is 3.5 centimeters, then circumference will be 2 pi r. That means 2 into 22/7 into 3.5. Then we will get the answer as 22 centimeters. Now here let us do it. Draw a circle with center O and radius of 5 centimeters on it. Draw the following and name them. See, already I showed you the example over here with the radius of 5 centimeters, right? And I named a different names like A to B is a diameter, that is the longest chord, O to C as the radius, and D2 is a small chord, and B, C, A, D, E are the circumferences or arc. So here this is an example for you to draw this first question. You do it on your own. Now move to the second bit, fill in the blanks. So diameter is the longest chord of a circle. Radius is twice of the diameter. Circumference of the circle is equal to 2 into pi into r or pi into d. If the diameter of a circle is 10 centimeters, then the radius is 5 centimeters. A diameter divides the circle into two halves or parts. The value of pi is 22/7 or 3.14. Now we shall move to the third bit, find the radius. To find this radius, what we will do? The formula we will apply is radius is equal to diameter by 2. That is r equal to d by 2. So first question they have given d is equal to 20 centimeters. Now we are applying the formula. R means radius, d means diameter by 2. Now 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10 centimeters. So r is equal to 10 centimeters. Likewise, rest of the two sums you do it on your own. Now find the diameter. That means from the radius we are trying to find out the diameter here. See the questions they have given. Right? Now I am going to explain on one sum. Now r equal to 5 centimeters. R means radius into 2. This is the formula we have to apply to find the diameter. So r into 2, that means 5 into 2. It equal to 10 centimeters. That means diameter is equal to 10 centimeters is the answer. Rest of the sums you do it on your own. Now go to fifth question. Find the circumference. Here we have to use this formula like pi is equal to 22/7. Okay. Now here first question, d equal to 21 centimeters they have given in your textbook. Now they are asking us to apply this formula pi equal to 22/7. Now 21 into 22/7. So if we do the multiplication table, how many times it comes? In 3 table, 3 7s are 21. So cancel this 21 and 7. Now here 3 remains. 3 into 22 is equal to 66 centimeters. So, the circumference is 66 centimeters of the diameter 21 centimeters. Okay, likewise, you see one more example. They have given here r equal to 3.5 centimeters. We have to find the circumference for the given radius. R means radius. And for here, the formula is 2 pi r or pi d. Pi d means 2 into r into radii. Okay. Now, that means 22 by 7. Okay. See here. 2 into 3.5 into 22 by 7. Now 2 into 3.5 is equal to how much? 7. 7 into 22 divided by 7. Now here how many times this 7 goes in multiplication table? 7 ones are 7. So cancel these two 7s and 1 remains. So 1 into 22 is equal to 22 centimeters. So rest of the sums you do it on your own. Thank you children. Take care. Stay safe.